sort of. Just lay down flat first and then roll over.
Ganun muna, mababang mababa.
So roll over before you stop.
Tapos gagano.
First,
Taas mo to.
flat first,
Oo,
then
tapos
roll
sa taas
over.
mo to. Taas to, tapos reach. Mababa ka to.
Alright. Anybody else want to try it? Go.
Next! Next!
Mas malaki nararating ng pwede rin tumalon, pwede hindi. Pero ako okay lang yung tumalon, wag lang yung ganito. Okay, although pinapayagan ngayon ng replanting, pero mas okay na ganito. Ha? Mas malayo mararating mo, mas madadala mo yung katawan mo forward. Ito ang gagamitin mo, ang tawag dito ay power foot. Pupush mo, ha? Para madala mo yung katawan mo. Sabay ng stop.
Kaya sinasabi ni Coach dito sa leg, i-work daw yung sa leg. Para mas mabilis, mas maano.
Gamit lahat yan.
Okay, now let me talk to you about what's legal. In some associations, this is legal.
Illegal pitch yung ganyan, illegal pitch yung mga bawal
Okay.
na pitch.
Start here, step back, and then go. But
Bawal
not
na
all associations, and the international, it's not legal to do that. So what you want to do is you want to do what's called start back. Now, you're doing it a little bit different than what I teach.
Yeah.
But what I want the girls to do is I want you to stand here just like this and relax. Okay? Just stand right on top of the pitching rubber and relax. See where my toe's at? Now, I can legally rock back on this foot and then rock forward. I can put my foot all the way down and then go forward. I cannot do this. I cannot do this. That's stepping back. Once I set this foot down, it cannot move backwards, but my foot can drop down because my toe's not moving. Okay? So that's called start back. My foot is starting back. Okay?
Hindi daw pwede na kapag nilagay mo na dito, tapos iusin mo pa ganun. Step mo na ganun. Kailangan nakaganyan lang siya, tapos bababa mo.
Okay? So that's the main thing I want to tell you about right now. The other thing is you can't step forward off the rubber. So you can't do this. You can't step forward off the rubber.
Pagpa-clinic.
Put your hands above your head. I want you to put your left leg under your knee.
Left, ate, left.
Let's get some Tagalog on. Left leg.
Kaliwa.
Which is paying attention.
May isang hilera kayo din. May hilera dito.
You ready?
Sabi man dito, ura pa sito. Tapos lang may method eh. May method pa ng pakpak na rin yung ikot-patay. May ginawang
Doon ka sa dulo na.
at least kung pakpak lang dito.